Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will understand penetration testing, also called ethical hacking. Penetration testing is a safety check for computer systems. Think of it like hiring a lock expert to test your house. They try to break in, then tell you which doors were weak. There are 4 main goals. 1. Find weak spots. 2. Test alarms. 3. Measure damage. 4. Create a fix-it list. Pen testing usually follows 5 steps: planning, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and reporting. We describe people by hack colors. White hats are the good testers with permission. Black hats are criminals. Gray hats are in the middle, usually without permission. There are 3 testing perspectives. Black box means the tester knows nothing. White box means the tester knows everything. Gray box is a mix. Common attack methods include social engineering, injection attacks, and brute force. Social engineering tricks people. Injection attacks put code into inputs. Brute force tries every password. In conclusion, penetration testing is a vital part of modern security. By thinking like a hacker, we can better protect our data. Encryption relies on prime numbers. Small numbers are easy to factor, like 3 times 7 equals 21. But huge primes make encryption strong and very hard to break. After testing, teams calculate risk. Risk equals probability times impact. If both are high, the problem is critical and must be fixed quickly. Penetration testing is like a fire drill for digital security. It finds weak points before real attackers do. Thank you for watching.